The Yorkshire Flood Resilience Project is funded by DEFRA and the Environment Agency. Yorkshire Flood Resilience is working to raise awareness of property flood resilience. Yorkshire Flood Resilience provides information to property owners on methods of reducing flood damage to properties and allows a more rapid return to normal life following the event. Flood barriers are a simple, cost-effective way of reducing water ingress into properties. They can be quick to deploy when required. Other devices, such as self-closing air bricks, sump pumps and valves, all assist in reducing the amount of water entering the property. Larger commercial properties can also be protected, allowing businesses to quickly reopen and reduce damage to stock and loss of trade. Precautions such as these will reduce the need for fire service intervention and allow their attendance at more serious incidents. Floodwater can also pose a risk. The water can contain raw sewage and other contaminants and hide hazards such as open drains. Flooding can also cause issues for motorists. Road closed signs must not be ignored. Cars and 4x4s can quickly become overwhelmed by water and leave the occupants stranded, requiring rescue. For more information, visit our website, which provides useful information and tools to support people across Yorkshire to make their properties more flood resilient.